Hello traders, today is the 14th of November 2023 and in this video I'll explain to you how you can trade a couple of hours a day and bank amazing profit. So this morning we had amazing trades, especially on pound. We have seen some bullishness, and let me share with you guys how I analyze that specific trades and bank amazing profit, and I will show you how I managed to bank $7,000, $7,106 today, managing $1 million of an account. So let me share with you guys, first of all, let me share with you the pound dollar 4-hour chart. That's what I was did analysis. If you look ahead this morning, and as explained to my trader, that market has broken this one and the market is retesting this support. So what I'm expecting here, another pullback. So we were looking this breakout, and we had such a nice beautiful breakout, and I was expecting this is the target, which price nicely hit and bank amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze these entries in intraday to help my traders not to miss this opportunity. So if you look at, first of all, let me share with you guys my trades, and you can see here 37 pips. In this account, my daily target is 20 to 35 pips a day. But if you look at all of my history of this account, you can see here average 30 pips I'm making it, and you can see all of my pound dollar trades. So let me share with you guys how I analyze this entry. So if I open the pound dollar charts, you can see here, and if I open this one, the analysis. So this is the analysis this morning. That was the Asian session analysis. Because I'm in Dubai, so I'm early person, so I found this opportunity, and as soon as the market developed based on the 4-hour, we already had this breakout. So beautiful long trade. As soon as the market hit to the fifth channel, this is the first target. I bank some profit. As I explained, my trade is time to either bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. So if I show you the trades of let me share with you guys the 37 pips of trades, and if I want to see here that, let's suppose if you want to see this trade entry and exit, you can see that was the entry level, and that's my exit as soon as the price hit to the profit target. So now what sort of money has been generated for these 37 pips? That's the key important. And if you look at one of the accounts, I'm managing it. As you can see here, my broker is the QBN Limited, and if you look at here, based on, you can see here all these 37 pips, based on that I have generated $7,106 profit, and all of my trade is copied to the, you can see here, let me make it upside. You can see here that is the $1 million of an account where that I'm managing. Is my daily target is 30-40 pips, guys. Just a couple of hours, even just before the London Open, I managed this decent profit. And as always, all of my trades has been transparent, everything entry and exit, and well explained to all of my traders. So all this analysis been explained, broadcasted to all my end traders, and also I have taken these trades to bank amazing profit. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. But if you really want to see all that trades analysis in real time instead of watching this review, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, and until next time, all the best.